What if I told you that the biggest thing standing between you and your dreams isn't the world, the competition, or even your circumstances? It is you. More especially, it is your own doubt. Before we dive deeper, if this is your first time here, hi there. I am Suad, and I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to today's topic, the power of believing in yourself, how to overcome doubt and fear. Now, think about it. How many times have you hesitated, second-guessed yourself, or let fear of judgment stop you from going all in on your goals? That hesitation, that doubt is the real obstacle. But here is the truth. You are the surest bet in the world. Today, we are going to break down how to overcome doubts and fear, rebuild your confidence, and unlock the courage to trust yourself fully and unapologetically. It is time to step into the version of you that's bold, resilient, and unstoppable. Before we dive deeper in, hit subscribe and join this community. You are not just watching this. You are stepping into a journey of growth. And I promise it will be worth it. Why is it so hard to trust your instinct? Why do we overthink, hesitate, and hold back? The answer lies in two key factors. 1. The fear of being wrong. From a young age, we are taught to avoid mistakes. This conditioning creates a fear of failure so deep that we stop trusting our own judgment. 2. External validation. We are so used to looking for approval from friends, family, or society that we forget to listen to our inner voice. But here is the thing. Your instincts are powerful. They are built from your experiences, knowledge, and intuition. The more you trust them, the sharper they become. When you hesitate, it is not because your instincts are wrong. It is because you are afraid of the unknown. The key point is, hesitation isn't a lack of ability. It is fear of judgment. Over-reliance on external validation stifles self-belief. Trusting your instinct is a skill you can develop. Think about a time when you didn't trust yourself and it held you back. Share it in the comments. I would love to hear your story. There are so many misconceptions about what it takes to succeed. And these false beliefs are often what keep us stuck. Let's boast a few of them. 1. I am not ready yet. Guess what? Nobody feels ready. Waiting for the perfect moment is a myth. Action creates readiness, not the other way around. 2. I need everything to be perfect. Perfectionism is a fear in disguise. It is better to take a messy, imperfection action than to stay stuck. 3. What if I fail? Failure isn't the end. It is a stepping stone. Every successful person you admire has failed, learned, and grown. When you let go of these misconceptions, you create space for confidence and courage to grow. Remember, you don't need anyone else's permission to be bet on yourself. You don't need anyone's permission to bet on yourself. You are more capable than you realize. Key point is, debunk the idea of perfection timing or perfectionism. Reframe failure as a necessary step to grow. The only validation you need is you. Are any of this misconception holding you back right now? Drop a comment with which one resonates most. So, how do you rebuild your internal drive? The kind of energy and belief that keeps you moving forward, no matter what. Let's break it down into actionable steps. 1. Identify your why. What's the deeper reason behind your goals? When you connect with your purpose, it fuels your drive. 2. Celebrate small wins. Progress builds momentum. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. 3. Visualize your success. Spend time each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. This trains your brain to believe it's possible. Let me repeat this. These train your brain to believe it's possible. 4. Create daily habits. Motivation fades, but habits sustain you. Build a routine that aligns with your goals. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment matters. Be intentional about who and what you allow into your life. Let me tell you about Marcos, a friend who struggled with self-doubt. He started small, setting a goal to wake up early and write 1 page a day. Over time, that single habit turned into a published book. His success wasn't luck. It was the result of consistent, intentional effort. You can do the same. It starts with one small step and then another. Before you know it, you have built unstoppable momentum. Which of these steps will you start today? Let me know in the comments. I want to cheer you on, celebrate you. Self-belief isn't just a nice idea. It is the foundation of every success story. The moment you stop waiting for permission, stop doubting your instinct, and start betting on yourself, everything changes. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear. It is taking action in spite of it. Every great accomplishment starts with a single step, and that step begins with you. You are surest bet in the world. You are surest bet in the world. When you trust yourself, you unlock a version of you that's confident, resilient, and ready to take on anything. If you have made it this far, I know you are ready to make a change. Don't stop now. Hit subscribe, join the community, and let's take this journey together. Your future self will thank you. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the decision to believe in yourself. So bet on you. You are worth it.